Introducing the Kenmore Elite Smart Dishwasher, part of a new generation of Kenmore appliances designed to keep you connected to your home. With the Kenmore Smart app, you can customize your clean by downloading 4 additional cycle settings. When you're on the go, you can also check cycle status and time remaining for cycle completion. The Rinse Aid indicator on the app even lets you know when it's time to refill. From delicate glassware to greasy dishes and pans, the 360-degree Power Wash spray arm provides maximum coverage for your dirtiest dishes. The oscillating spray arm blasts off even the toughest baked-on messes for exceptional cleaning performance. The adjustable rack system can easily accommodate large pots and pans. There's even a third rack to hold those odd-shaped utensils and an adjustable basket, so all of your kitchenware fits just right. Plus, the Kenmore Elite Smart Dishwasher is ENERGY STAR certified and compatible with Amazon Alexa. The Kenmore Elite Smart Dishwasher. Connect now for smarter living. Kenmore, be amazing.
This particular model is a 13-place Bosch dishwasher that only uses 6.5 liters of water to ensure a full load on the Eco 50 cycle. Now that's what I call economical. It is equipped with 8 programs, one being the automatic program, which detects and measures the degree of dirt in your dishes. And it precisely adapts the amount of water, time, and wash mechanics it needs to ensure a perfect wash result. It also has a 1-hour program, which you can wash your dishes at 65 degrees. This is perfect for soiled dishes, pots, and pans. Apart from the programs, the dishwasher is also equipped with 4 additional options, which you can add to the programs. Eco drying is an option that you can set up on the Eco 50-degree cycle wash, where the door automatically opens up to assist the drying process. Vario Speed Plus can reduce your wash cycle by up to 60% without compromising your wash results. The intensive zone can be activated when you have heavy soiled pots and pans. The water pressure in the spray arms on the bottom increased by 20%, giving you optimal clean results. Hygiene Plus rinses your dishes at a higher temperature. This is great for toddler dishes. And Extra Dry, which will facilitate in the drying process of the dishes.
Is your dishwasher cleaning all of your dishes, even those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies? With LG QuadWash, clean all of your dishes sparkling clean the first time. With 4 spray arms instead of 2, LG QuadWash also includes multi-motion arms that rotate back and forth while spinning, providing enhanced coverage to clean every dish on every rack. It also gets things done faster, with its turbo cycle cleaning every dish in a mere 59 minutes. No matter the shape or size, you can get your dishes spotless with LG dishwashers.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.